Boom! It's time for Extreme Drawing Challenge. 2 contestants will compete for $1 million. The loser will be punished. We have David and Ellie. Let's see how they're doing. Maybe if I try this. What's next?
Oh, what's David doing?
Got it! I'll draw some eyes and a mouth. It's looking cute! Now for the ears. And a fluffy tail. I better add some details. I'm pretty happy with this.
I really need to finish this. Oh no! My pencil! I need to be quick. So much pressure. Maybe I got carried away. It'll still work.
I should add some color.
Come on!
Whoa! Let's all take a deep breath. Let that tension melt away. Feels good, huh? Let's see what they're drawing. Aw, it's just adorable! A cute little bunny! And how did our contestants do?
It's a little rushed. Sorry.
It's a masterpiece, huh?
Aw, it's amazing!
Didn't they do well? Thanks! But who won this round? Oh, I know. It's a tough one. And this round goes to… David!
No! Yes!
What? For real?
But my drawing's actually good!
What can I say?
So unfair! Ugh!
Ooh, such rage! Why are you looking at me like that? Who cares? Woohoo! Ellie, it's punishment time!
I'm so mad! Balloons? What's going on? I guess I have to pop them? This isn't so extreme. Here goes!
Ooh! So tense!
Huh? Okay, the next one. This isn't so bad.
I think that color suits her.
This is messing up my hair!
You look ridiculous!
Be quiet, David! Achoo!
Look at Brian!
Payback!
Oh, it's good fun! She got you good! David is our winner. Ellie is the loser. Okay, I'm on a roll.
I need to win this round!
They both look focused. This is tricky.
You can do this! I'm really happy with this drawing. These colors are so vibrant.
What's happening, guys? Let's check out David's artwork. Not looking good. Right here, dude. Get that out of my face.
Ha! He's so angry!
Look at this by Ellie. This would look good in any garden.
Wow! Awful! Thanks, Brian.
That is pretty good. But I have an idea. I'll add some more lines. Now for the leaves and stem. Every rose has thorns. A few more leaves. And a splash of color. Oops. I better stay in the lines. Can't forget the green in the leaves. There. Even a florist would be happy with that.
Wow! He's a natural!
You're too kind.
Nice try!
Wow! 2 different roses, 2 different styles. What do you guys think?
Well, Ellie's is striking, but David's fine.
David!
Ellie! No!
This is close. Ellie! David! It's a tie! No way! There's one way to decide. Is it Ellie? Or is it David? Leave your winner in the comments below. Ooh, thanks. Wait, seriously? Vote Ellie! No, vote David! It's still neck and neck.
You're kidding me!
Look! I won again! Thank you! David, congratulations! You win again!
This is a fix!
Better luck next time.
I get punished again? But goodbye, everyone! I love you all!
You can do this, Ellie!
I'm ready!
Stay strong!
Please Please be gentle.
I have my little red button. Do it!
Ugh, it smells so bad! Oh, it's such a shame! Ugh, so gross!
I could watch this all day.
Is this mustard and ketchup?
Just what I need. Thanks. I'm getting used to this.
I don't like this game. Okay, I'll start by drawing some sixes. Then some bigger ones. And connect them up. Some eyes, a nose, and a mouth. I'll start on the paws. A bow tie will make this teddy look smart. This brown is perfect for my teddy. And a lovely red bow tie. I wish I had this teddy.
So do I. I mean, I wanna see. It's good. Ooh, I need to see this. What's all the commotion? Whoa! Awesome! Look at this! What do you have, David? Not a lot, it seems. The pressure. It's too much. We know who's winning this round. Was David always this fluffy? Ugh! Where did he go?
Don't look at me!
He's around here somewhere.
Where is he?
Hey! Who's this guy? Aha!
Come on, Jake.
Why, you? Ellie, show off your pretty drawing.
Woohoo!
They love it! David, you're mine! What's the worst that can happen? You're gonna need these. This isn't a good sign. Boom! Oh! Ooh, that's not a good look.
It's deserved!
It's so sticky.
So funny!
Get it off me!
Yay! I won! Woo! What do we do?
A little help?
What is this?
I have no idea.
Focus!
Come on, guys. Think of the money.
I need to do something!
Got it.
Oh no! David started!
Ellie!
Oh, you're so sweet!
Almost done.
What's he doing?
Wait, that's not right. Gotta start again.
Now's my chance!
Whoa! What's he doing? Let's see that again. Look! That's a terrible drawing. Boo! I tried.
Okay, watch this. I'll draw a loop around the zeros. Oh, okay, I know! This isn't so difficult. It just takes some imagination. Some whiskers. Now I'll connect it to the two. I'm nearly finished. I'll color these parts in. It's a sleepy cat! Ta-da!
Oh, come on! I love it! Okay, I need to think.
Woo! David!
Thanks, babe. Right back at ya. This is getting weird. You lose! Oh. And this lovely lady is our winner, Ellie!
Yes!
David, if you would be so kind. Whatever. Okay, let's get it over with. What? What is this? You're gonna find out! Is that Mentos? Hold on. Does that mean… Oh no!
No way!
Ooh! Where am I? Refreshing! Ellie is our winner!
Yes!
Who has won the $1 million? Will it be David or Ellie? It's a tie! Yes!
Woo!
It's been a great contest, so it's only right you share the money.
Wow! Thanks! I'm rich!
I'm gonna buy so much candy! Woohoo! This is the best day ever! I'm keeping this.
Well done, Ellie. You were great! Think you could win our extreme drawing challenge? What would your masterpiece look like? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.